Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is an upright twin-cylinder sport bike. Great for commuting, great for canyon carving. 2 brand new tires, only 9,300 miles on this beautiful metallic green Versys 650. Fuel injection, liquid cooled, probably gets close to 60 miles per gallon. It's got the removable Kawasaki locking top case. Come by, check it out. Price to sell at just $34.99. Beautiful smoked windscreen. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.